even though we're at the kids side of the park, take a look up top. You'll see there's a series of different color slides, both open and enclosed. These slides anywhere from 150 to 200 lineal feet long. Excellent ride. Something that's definitely could be done in a residential setting. These slides are commercial grade fiberglass composite, come in a variety of colors. This is something we could build in your backyard for sure. Hope you're enjoying our tour here at the Bahamas, at Bahamar from the Grand Hyatt. We'll talk to you. All right, here we go. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're here. Believe it or not, we're at the kids side of the park. However, take a look at these two slides. These definitely scream fun, that's for sure. Corkscrews, winding turns. This is something more practical to put into your backyard. Nice 32-inch flume rides, enclosed. Summer open slides. Let's take a ride.